Yo, what is going on? Today I'm going to be teaching y'all how to make a kill counter. This goes along with the ranks I showed and the scoreboard for any type of objective that I showed in the last video. So, and if you couldn't tell, this is going to be basically a series where I'm just going to be showing you things that you can put in servers, or just, you know, teaching you about command blocks. So yeah, today we're going to be doing a kill counter. Now this I've seen a lot of them on YouTube where there is a function where you can't, so say if your key was a jungle fence and you already had one, that you could just drop it and it'd give you a kill. With this one you can't, because in your server there's going to be no way for you to get a second one. So basically the command is designed like this. You're going to have a repeating command block followed by 2 chains that are going to be set to conditional, and all of them are always active. Okay, they're all always active. Alright, so, and I'm also going to teach you, since we're going to need a certain thing to count for our kills, I'm going to use a nether star just to show you. So I'm also going to input what it is for to give them. So this would be for your PvP, you'd press a button, and that for mine it teleports them and it gives them a you know, what I have my key as, but it puts them in there, it puts it in their inventory so that they don't actually know it's there unless they you know, went over here and saw it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Alright, so basically the first command that you're going to want to have in this repeat unconditional command is going to be a /execute command. Now this is what you're going to have this at every I guess in every command block. This is the thing that you're always going to start out with. So it's going to be type equals item, and then you're going to comma, make sure that's a comma because people get mixed up with periods and commas. And then you're going to do name equals whatever you're making it. You make sure that it's the actual name and not the ID of it. So since mine's nether star, it's going to be nether star, and we're going to end that quote off, put 3 squigglies, and then we're going to do execute at P for a radius of 6 and a count of 1. And then this is basically where that one ends. So that is going to be in every single one of them. So if you want, you can copy that into each one. So that's what we're going to be typing in each one, okay? At least to start off. So after you put those 3 squigglies, after you have the radius of 6 and count for 1, we're going to do a clear at P nether star. Jesus, I can't type. 0 0. Okay. So then we're going to, for the second one, it's going to be a scoreboard players add at P kills 1. And you're gonna have to make it so that your objective, if I go to scoreboard add, we're going to have to add one named kills. Alright, now if you want, so you're going to have to make, if you want to, you can make a scoreboard for kills. So to make that scoreboard, you would do the same thing with these, except just put it for that, just put kills and K, you know, K display, which I will also show you how to do that in this video. But you will not be able to do it in the list spot or the sidebar slot. So yeah, it's going to be for add at P kills 1, right? This last one is going to be a command of killing So we're gonna do kill at E, and then the name of it is Nether Star, right? And we're gonna do that within a radius of 6 and a count of 1, right? So that's basically it for what you're gonna do, right? So if I were to have and also this is at the beginning, so what you're gonna do for this one is you're just gonna do a simple execute at P, right? And then you're just gonna do replace item entity at P slot inventory 8 Nether Star. For some reason I knew I spelled that wrong. So now if I do this, it'll put another star in here. So if I would have dropped this, it would have what's it called? It would have obviously added my score, and the only reason it didn't kill it was because of the reason that I don't have that scoreboard. So now I'm going to teach you how to do the scoreboard for this right here. Alright, let's do that. Alright, so basically for the kill counter scoreboard, we're going to be doing the same thing that we did over there with our other ones, but I'm going to make this just in case some of you do not know how to. So the first thing that I advise you to do is go to scoreboard, objectives, add, and I'm going to add one for kills, and I'm also going to add one for K display, because that's what I like to call it, kills display, you know. Alright, so again, we're going to do a test for all players, make sure that's always active. Then we're going to do a / execute for all players, right? And then you do scoreboard, players, operation at P K display equals at P kills, right? Because in these ones it's our display and rank, so we're going to be putting the specific rank for the kills, K display kills, right? So yeah, basically we're going to be putting in this one a scoreboard, objectives, add, or it's going to be a removing the K display, right? This one is going to be a scoreboard, objectives, add, K display, dummy, and then like I said, you can put whatever you want there. I'm gonna do mine for kills, right? So, and I'm gonna set mine for the sidebar. Not the sidebar, my bad. I'm gonna do below name for the K display, and then we're gonna do a / scoreboard, players, add all of them for kills 0. Now if it works, obviously if you turn all of these to previous output on, it'll you know, if you do that, removed it, added it, set it to below name, and added the kills for it, this one will be found turtle tongue, and this one will say set the K display. So that is how you make the kill counter for it. So now, as you can see, these ones that are set for the kills, right? I have another star in here. So if I have another star in there and I drop it, you see it disappears and it adds it'll add a kill to your name, right? And obviously you can set it to, you don't have to have, you don't have to have ranks. You can set it to the sidebar list or your preferred place. And then when you're going out, all you have to do for going back to spawn, you just have to do a /clear at P for nether star. So then if I were to grab a button, press that, it clears all my nether stars. So even if they do have multiple, it will clear it. So yeah, that's how you would do the adding the kill item, right? For adding the kill item, removing the kill item. I'm just gonna put IT. But yeah, this is how to make a kill counter and a kill counter scoreboard. So that is basically going to be it for today's video. If you liked this video, please leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below on things you want to see, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.